Well,
well,
unfortunately,
that
fight
unfortunately
not good enough. Today's been Marin's day, 21-15.
Yes.
Carolina Marin has won Olympic gold for Spain. 2 games to 1. And the pictures on your screen now are of family of Gopi Chand, and you'll soon see shots of the family of Sindhu as well. They're over there at the Pulela Gopi Chand Academy in Hyderabad. This is a loss for her in one match, but a victory for India, a massive victory for India in terms of sport. Vikram.
Vishnu, let's just go across, I think, to Uma. Let's try and get some sense of the atmosphere from Hyderabad if we can, because look, she may not have won the gold, but she's won the silver and she's won everyone's heart. Fantastic performance. Let's just go across to Hyderabad. Let's listen in.
Yes, indeed. The parents of Sindhu obviously disappointed that she has not been able to get the gold, but she has still performed very, very well, extremely well to get to this point. As Vishnu was mentioning, she fought till the very last point. In fact, when she was at 14-20, Sindhu still managed to get that one other point, and they are talking about applause for Sindhu and Gopi Chand, despite the fact that she has not been able to get the gold, but she is obviously a winner for India, having got this far, having played this Olympic final in her first outing, in fact, at the Olympics. The parents of Sindhu obviously very, very proud of her, despite the fact that she's not been able to make it in this last lap of the Olympics. Everyone disappointed around here, but everyone did get up to clap for Sindhu at this point for what she has achieved and what Gopi Chand has achieved through Sindhu as well. There's a mobbing, of course, happening of the parents, because everyone very, very keen to get the parents who had the belief in Sindhu and in Gopi and committed so many years. In fact, the father, Ramana, is an employee of the Indian Railways, and in fact took leave the last 7 to 8 months, Vishnu, so that he could be with his daughter, so that there was no time when she would give up or feel dispirited, because working towards a championship, right now we have huge crowds, but working towards the championship is a very lonely exercise. We are talking about a very lonely path that any champion has to go through. Of course, Sindhu had with her Gopi, who trusted her, who believed in her, and was guiding her at every single step of this entire journey towards the Olympic gold. Now, of course, it is the silver that Sindhu is going to bring back home, but even that, a huge victory and achievement for this 21-year-old from Hyderabad, who picked up the racket about 12 years ago, and with the dream that one day she would be on the world stage and one day she would make the country proud. That's exactly what this young girl from Hyderabad has done, with the kind of hard work that she has put in over so many years, day and night. In fact, what their parents were sharing with us is that every single day, in fact, virtually every single day, she has traveled, she's used to get up at 4:30 in the morning for the morning sessions. The first 5 years, she was in fact traveling 120 kilometers up and down from her home in Maradpalli to this academy. It so happened that Sindhu joined us, Gopi, at exactly the same time that the academy began, and she has been with him for the last 12 years. He has groomed her personally. In the last 1.5 months, there was specialized training that was given to Sindhu as well. Physical trainers were brought in to improve strength, to improve her mental strength and stamina as well. There was no access to social media, no telephones, because as Gopi would very often say, you cannot do ordinary things if you want to be ordinary. If you want to achieve the extraordinary, you must be willing to take that extraordinary kind of sacrifices, if I may put it that way, because this requires a lot of discipline and a lot of hard work, consistent hard work over so many years that we are talking about, that it has now brought Sindhu to this stage in the world stage. Gagan, you are here. Let me bring you in. Obviously, all of us are disappointed, but at the same time, Sindhu has made us feel so
I think
proud.
there's nothing to be disappointed. I think the effort that she put in was worth more than gold. We all should be really happy that she's done something that no woman has done in India, win a silver for our country. It's a brilliant effort.
Brilliant effort indeed. The first game went, the opening game went to her. The second one, obviously, Marin managed to get away. But the third one also, Sindhu wasn't willing to give up even when she was 4 points, 5 points down.
Absolutely. I think she had a heart of a lion and she fought till the end. And I think that speaks volumes of her training, volumes of the training and effort that Gopi has put into her. Happy that she's the third Hyderabadi to win an Olympic medal, and speaks volume of what the academy here does and how Gopi and his team puts in. Saina first and now Sindhu. Many young Indians, women, children will take to sport, and I think they will go ahead and get inspired by this medal and do the country proud.
Just a short while ago we were discussing that in fact so far cricket was the religion, and now today at least people are watching badminton rather than cricket.
Well, I hope, but I don't think that's going to change in our country. Probably people will forget the Olympics a few years down the line. I hope that this momentum goes on. I hope that we do something for Olympic sports. I hope that we make changes, we make modifications in the future. We tweak the system a little bit, make it more efficient, make athletes the focus of the system, and that's definitely going to change the sporting scenario in the country.
And Sindhu is only 21. She has many more outings at the Olympics that are waiting for her. Even when we were speaking to her mom yesterday, she said she'll come back, she'll enjoy her Hyderabadi biryani at Paradise and get her Mysore Pak. But within a week, perhaps, she has to go back to her routine.
Well, absolutely. I think we athletes live and die for the sport. And I'm sure after this, I think Marin's going to have nightmares when she sees Sindhu next, because she put up a hell of a fight. And it speaks volumes of what Sindhu is made of, and we're really proud of her.
Thank you so much. Yes, Sindhu has made the country proud, and what we must also not forget today is that Gopi Chand is training so many of them, and that's the hope that we were seeing behind us, cheering, all of them. In fact, even on this day, coming in to train since the morning we were here, morning sessions, afternoon sessions, evening sessions, the work was going on.